Welcome to another Simple Dad DJI Pocket 3 tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set manual exposure on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now with your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal, you'll be able to adjust the ISO and the shutter speed. So the only thing that is locked is your aperture, which is locked at 2.0. Now by default, your DJI Pocket 3 is set to automatic exposure. So your DJI Pocket 3 will decide on how to expose a scene. Now you can change this on your Pocket 3 and I'll show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and start your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now on the screen here, you want to go ahead and take your finger to the right and swipe it to the left. Once you do this, you'll see this menu here. From this menu, you want to find exposure, which is at the top of the list. Tap on it. So as you can see, it's currently set to auto. Your shutter is 1/100 and your ISO is 80, but it can go between 50 and 6400. Now to change this into manual exposure, go ahead and tap on this M here, just next to auto. Now once you do this, you'll have control over the shutter speed and the ISO. So here, currently, you can set it to 1/100 and your ISO, you can play around with it. Now once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and tap on confirm and then tap on the screen here. So now as you can see, it's currently set to manual exposure. So as you can see, my scene is really bright of what I'm recording from a DJI Pocket 3. Now if I bring this back to automatic, you can see the difference. Automatic setting will basically set the correct exposure. So there you go, that is how to have manual exposure on your DJI Pocket 3 gimbal. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.